Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can actually sell your token in your Trust wallet, because sometimes you can have a token and you find that the price is going up and then you want to sell it, want to convert it to BNB. Okay, what are you supposed to do? So you need to log into your Trust wallet. Okay, when you log into your Trust wallet, you have the dApps. Okay, you click on dApps here. And once you click on dApps here, you go to pancakeswap.finance. You click on pancakeswap.finance. And once you click on pancakeswap.finance, you have the swap, all right? You make sure that you have it here like swap. And now you want to sell a particular token. You want to convert that token to BNB, because the first thing is for you to be able to convert that token to BNB, and then you can now sell it peer-to-peer, or you can now sell it to your debit card and get it in cash. So let's say I have the the V chain token that is I want to sell, for example. Okay, I want to sell this token right now. So I'll make sure that I have it on top, because I'm selling it for what? For BNB. And since I'm selling it for BNB, I'll make sure that BNB is down here. And you always have this small sound that it comes out when you want to sell. If I want to sell, say 50%, I have 25%, 50%, 75%, and max. If I click on max, it means that I'm selling everything. But if I click on 50%, it means that I'm selling 50% of this token. So below here is what I'll get, which is BNB, right? So BNB is what I'm getting. So once I do that, I'm going to actually enable this. Okay, I'll enable this. So once I enable that, they will ask me to confirm, which I will do confirm right now in order for the swap button to come out. So once that is enabled, I will just be patient for a few seconds for it to come on board. All right, I'm clicking on enabled. All right, so once that is enabled right now, you saw how I just enabled that. If you are swapping for the first time, you have to enable that. So you now click here on swap. Swap means that I'm selling. They will ask me to confirm this if I really want to sell 52 of my VChain token. I will accept this, and then I'll just come here and I will click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, they will now tell me this is what they'll show me the assets and what I'm going to have. So oops, so I'll just click here. Sorry, it's taking a little bit longer. So I'll just click on confirm. And once I click on confirm, it will now ask me to approve. And I'll click on approve. And that is how I can now sell my token to BNB. So once I sell this, you have the transaction receipt, and I'll just click on close. So I just sold my token to BNB. I sold my VChain token to BNB. So when I go to my back office, I'll make sure that I'll have my BNB already in my wallet. So I can now convert my BNB to any cryptocurrencies that I want, or any stable coin that I want. So this is how you actually sell token into your Trust wallet.